Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Are Hive products and services free? Hive products and services aren't free, but there are often great deals on offer for British Gas customers. Please check the Hive product and services pages for the latest prices.
Let's help you make your mark.
Hive was established when parent company Centrica, owner of British Gas, formed its connected homes sector in 2012. The system can be installed in customers' homes by a British Gas engineer. In February 2015, British Gas purchased the connected home firm AlertMe in a deal worth £65 million.
Let's help you make your mark.
For use with combi boilers. Control heating remotely via Android or iOS devices. Geolocation and text control enable heating alerts and send commands to the Hive anytime, anywhere. Can be installed on gas or LPG systems, and certain electric boilers.
Take our lead.
Your old thermostat will be removed by our engineer and replaced by the Hive wireless thermostat. If you wish to keep the old thermostat, please let the engineer know. If you are upgrading from Hive Active Heating to Hive Active Heating 2, you will need to take the batteries out of your old thermostat when prompted.
Take our lead.
Yes, the price is a little steep, but the technology you are buying into, more on this later in the review, is worth it. Hive is also boasting on its website that by using its system over the course of a year you can save hundreds on your heating bills. The Hive Hub was also set up in this time.
Let's help you make your mark.
The main difference between the two devices is that the Nest needs to be constantly wired. The Hive makes placement a lot easier, with only 4 AA batteries and placement on any wall of your choice with a 2-year battery life.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If it loses connection to the internet, or if the thermostat loses connection to the hub, you won't be able to control your thermostat remotely. If your heating or hub is offline, your Hive app will show you and tell you what's going wrong. You can also manually adjust the settings from the thermostat itself.
Let's help you make your mark.
British Gas launch free energy app, but only with highest tariff. British Gas customers can now get the Hive Energy app for free, the energy company announced this week. The Hive app promises to save homeowners money on their bills by allowing them to control their heating and hot water when they are away from home.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.